These are Roblox birds, very smart, social, and strong creatures. These two birds are best friends. They are planning to find something to eat. But before they find food, they play fight to practice hunting skills. But no more playtime. They're searching. These birds are mostly scavengers, but if they have to hunt, they will. These creatures are highly alert. Anything that gets in their way will be attacked. They find a fridge full of nice food and drinks. They pull out everything to eat/drink. But the food is not very good, so they have to hunt. A lot of other birds are in the area that they can hunt. Since they teamed up, this will be an easy hunt. They see another bird. They plan out the attack. They squawk at each other, telling each other the plan. The plan is settled. They begin to attack using their strong bite and kick. The pink bird is helpless and can only accept its fate. They pull the bird to shreds. The poor bird is helpless. The pink bird is dead. These birds enjoy a small meal. They begin to eat the food.